Hello, my name is Victoria Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a full tour of my Jeep conversion.
This all has been a huge learning curve for me, as everything is, because I continuously do new things that I don't know anything about. But we're finally here and done with the Jeep conversion, and I know that I've pretty much showed everything to you already, but I did promise a full official Jeep tour, so here we are.
I didn't get a funnel, so we do this very carefully. Oh, just got it on the engine. Perfecto. So I use about a quart of oil coming down here. These roofs are pretty weak, so I have to be careful. Someone got me a roof rack off my wish list the day that I left, so I never was able to put it on.
Are you ever gonna go back and get it?
Eventually. Yeah. Oh, scheiße. Oh, okay. It's a 1998 Jeep Cherokee. I bought it from Ohio for $3,000, and it took about a month to convert it. It has 257,000 miles on it, which is a lot, but it passed inspection, so we're fine. And it is four-wheel drive, also 6 inline engine, so it has good power for maybe possibly a little beginner overlanding. But let me show you the inside of it and how I chose to convert it to my liking, which is kind of like spaceship cyberpunk theme. That's my aesthetic. Let's go. All right, well, we're gonna go to the back where everything is at. I think we'll start with the kitchen, which is really just a bowl. If you guys want to look back throughout my other videos, I made videos of how I kind of built this up, but this is what I came up with for the sink. I didn't really have enough space or room or patience to make like a drain and all that type of stuff. I can use this for like brushing my teeth, storing fruit and stuff like that. We made a slide out thing. We're gonna use the stove, and I got my nunchucks, which are very important. This is the fridge, which is a little cooler. Like, everything has to be incredibly small, and I just have my camping stuff in here for right now. So the flooring, kind of like a mat that I put down that's like plastic vinyl. So this is how I fold out my mattress. This fits like that. It's a little bit dirty. It looks dirtier than it is, but it's supposed to be this off-white color, so it's not actually like super dirty. Pure cotton. To be honest, this mattress is quite thin. I would have gotten a thicker mattress the next time around, but it's just good enough for me. Like, anyone over 5'4" could not lay down fully in this, so this is just good for me. And especially if I push the seat up. This is where all my clothes is at. Just anything random, I throw it in there. I have Steffi behind the camera, by the way. Hello. There she is. And Jessa right here, I'm gonna show you actually. She has a van as well, and she does van life. I'm gonna show you a quick tour of hers, which is much more exciting than mine, but like, let's just focus on this stupid little Jeep. So this is so I have this for dirty laundry or whatever. We kind of left this open. I put toilet paper right there. I recently put some oil in. I'm getting a new solar battery situation, so I'll show that to you in another video, but this is where I keep that too. But this is my water, and then I have a collapsible bucket. This can have many uses. This is a shower that pulls the water up, so I could put water in here and take a shower. Also, I could use this as a toilet because I have done that already. Cute. Which I've gotten some really good recommendations on how to go to the bathroom on the go from you guys, so thanks for that. And then this is my trash can right here. Oh, these curtains I got from Amazon, and they are magnetic, so that sticks like that. I should have made some tea on the stove or something. I've never used it yet. I guess that's true, I'll do it. So right here, I keep my makeup bag. I got one that goes like this. That way when I'm doing my makeup, I have my bathroom mirror right here. and I can just hang this up right there. And then I have this storage thing where I keep incense, very essential, baby wipes. And then I have these curtains for when I go to sleep. And then these lights are what I use for my lighting. Just turns them on, and you can switch the colors, of course, and then off. Not very exciting, but I just throw all my other stuff up here, which is like, have my underwear and socks and stuff in there, my camera bags, I have a tent, then my other book bag, and that just kind of stays up in this area. But let's have a tea break. I haven't used the stove yet. We're gonna try it for the first time. This is a little butane stove, and I have this Velcro down in here, so I'm driving, it's not going all over the place. I'm borrowing a cup from my good friend here because, yes, to make tea. So this is gonna be a group effort here. You guys can tell me when I'm going wrong.
Should I back away? Is it gonna blow up?
I hope it doesn't. I don't think it will, but let's see. I don't actually know, guys. Okay, I can hear it working, I think.
Do you have a lighter?
I guess you need a lighter for this, yeah? Yeah, I do. Cute cup. Tea. Oh, I guess I need some water. Put your nails on that. It's scary. Is it just... Like, yeah, I don't like that.
You hate forks on metal?
Yeah, still work in progress. You know, I think the main thing is we're just learning as we go. And if you find better ways to do things, then great. In my pots. There we go. Tea time. Oh, I'm scared, guys. Things take time to build confidence. If you learn anything from this video or any of my videos, it's that I don't know what I'm doing and I'm scared all the time. I feel like I've got to be doing it wrong.
You should catch there, yeah.
Maybe you can help me.
There you go. Actually, I think it's caught now. You just can't see it because it's light out. Yeah, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah, it's going.
There's no fire.
Yeah, it's going. You can't see it during the day.
So, so fun. Do you guys want anybody want a granola bar?
Take. And this is gluten-free, isn't it?
Yep, it's all natural stuff.
Sure.
I didn't put very much water in there. And then we wake up to this beautiful view of the mountains. Now this is a good view. All right, so that is my whole little conversion there. Now let me show you a really cool van, like a legit made van, if you want to give me a little tour of yours. I'll put her link below. She also does YouTube.
Right here we have, yes, that's my little YouTube plaque.
Check out my plaque.
This is my little desk that I work and edit on. It's a swivel desk. Also gives us just a little more counter space in here. And then under here, where our toilet is.
Look at that
Ooh,
toilet.
it's very fancy. It's
Actually, it is very cool.
super fancy bucket.
It's better than my bucket, my collapsible bucket. So if someone has to use this, like the other person like leaves the van.
No, we're a little too comfortable.
Yeah, I don't know how that feels. I'm always by myself. So.
I'm just over here like pooping and Justin's reading on the bed. It's fine. We have a little pump sink here, so the pump is right here, and then all of our wattage storage is down underneath.
I love this thing right here with all
The spice rack.
I need to get one of those.
These were my doing. These took me forever. The pop lock
Nice.
cabinets.
Oh, yeah.
And then a little pot filler. Over here we've got our fridge. We put the fridge here specifically because Justin's tall enough on the bed that he didn't have anywhere to put his feet. So we figured if we put this fridge here, then his feet could go on the fridge. And then bed up here, I kind of have to climb up there. It's a little tall. And then down here we have a little door access to our garage, which,
full garage too.
welcome to the chaos.
This took them 6 months.
6 months of full-time work. We thought we'd be able to work and convert it, and it just was not happening. You can see the old Amazon logo on it, though. Used to be an Amazon van, and it got into one accident, and then we got it on a salvage title for a really good deal.
Look at all that gear.
Yeah, we've got all of our climbing gear. We've got 2 backpacks full of backpacking gear. We've got ice skates back there, snorkeling gear, a little thing to change the oil when we need to. And our bikes fit in really easily back here. You can barely see it, but the whole electric system for our solar is back there.
beautiful.
Thank you for that.
And also, yeah, and then obviously there's solar panels up on top as well. Like you can do a full van build, or you could do just a tiny little car. You could even do it in your car. You know, you could convert anything to a living situation, which I think is very, very cool and convenient if you want to live on the go. That's this video for today. Links to Steffi, who's helping me film. You can, yeah. And then Jessa's links are below as well. And continue to follow us on our journey of figuring out life in a tiny little space. Stay extraterrestrial.